Hi there, I'm Anton Graf and I'm a specialist for BMW electronics. My company is located in Hamburg, Germany, and in our videos we present you common problems the cars have. In this video we will discuss the topic of broken or damaged control units or control models. We have many of those in this car, for example one for the engine, the ECU for the engine. We have the Immobiliser, for example. This is this one. We have one for the lights, or we have for the airbag or the ABS or DSC. And those control units are very expensive, and in our time nowadays it's very hard to get new ones. Most of those problems or this adaption we can do by remote programming. We will send you such a cable and we will instruct you how to use it, to connect it between your car and the notebook. And then we can program those used control units by remote. Or we can already send you a used control one, so you just put it in your car and everything works plug and play. Why not to buy a new one at the BMW dealership? For example, the control unit for the engine costs about 2,000 euro. The control unit, for example, for the ABS or DSC costs 3,000 euro. But even if you are lucky and you get a new one, what is not that easy in our time because many parts are not available, BMW has to update all of the car to match the new software level of your new control unit. And this is very, very risky because the control units, they are 10 years old, 5 years old, 15 years old, and they work until you don't touch them. If you erase the chip and program it with a new software update, they very often break, and you are the one who has to pay for the new units. BMW dealership won't give you a warranty while you're doing the update, and they have no other chance doing it instead of updating the whole car. We have different solutions. Either we can program it by remote, a new one, we can program it by remote, a used one, what BMW cannot. They cannot program a used one. Or we can, like I told you, we can send you one for exchange. So you just put it in your car and everything works. We have to see the special case you have, the car you have, but we will for sure find a solution depending on the car and your location. If you have friends who are driving BMWs, share our video. If you have some experience, write some comments so others know what happened to you, and yeah, subscribe to our channel so you don't miss the next videos where we tell you about common problems the car have.